This is Smoke, my favorite chicken. There's Liza, the OG chicken. There's Cheetah. She likes to peck. And I don't know if I can get a picture of this little guy that wandered in here today. Let's see. Where you at, little guy? He shouldn't be in here. There he is. There's a little... Ow! What that? There's a juvenile scrub jay. And it's hanging out with the chickens. Ow! Quit pecking, Cheetah. Rude! Don't do that. She's a pecker. Yeah. And so, yeah, there it is. Ow! Quit that! You quit that pecking. There's a little, it's in there. Anyway, Cheetah's not gonna let me get close. Maybe they think it's their baby, I don't know, but we don't really want it in there, do we, girls? Ah, the city life.